Hi there, Sandra here. Forgive my husky, croaky voice. I'm getting over a back cough. And for some reason, my voice has not caught up. So I apologise for throat clearing, but talking tends to make my throat sort of kind of tickly. Okay, so a very brief project today. I've actually used a design from Leonardo Design Studio, and I'm making a gift tag, but I'm making a gift tag with a slight difference. However, the first part of it is this design. Now, because it has lots of tiny little circles around here and delicate little bits, I've decided to reverse weed it. Yeah, so there we have warm wishes, and yes, I have got that little bit in the E missing. Am I going to be that fussed about that today? No, I'm not. So I did an offset of the circle itself, making it slightly larger because I didn't want it the exact same size. And I've got a little hole in here. And so I need to kind of line it up and try and centralize it. Now this probably isn't going to work because I haven't got my head directly over it. That is what the general idea is. Okay, so you put it down like that. Then you can just peel off your transfer tape. Well, there's nothing particularly different about this. However, aside from having completely irregular design on here because I haven't lined it up very well, the difference is on the back, because on the back I put some clear transparent vinyl. And so the idea of this is that they are reusable tags. The front has your design on it and the back is where you write. But if you write on this with an alcohol marker, remove your greeting afterwards when you collect the tags. Now, I admit, if you were going to be sending gift to somebody, this wouldn't be of much use to you. Although you could say the tags are reusable for whoever you sent them to. But if you're having a big family get-together and you're making lots of tags and you're going to be opening the presents all at the same time, all you have to do, people say, oh, don't break the tags. They're reusable tags. And then you can go over the back with some rubbing alcohol, remove the message on the back afterwards, and use them next year. So a little bit of environmentally friendly crafting there. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Take care.